Namaste everyone. Welcome back to 21 days yoga practice, real life yoga. Today is day 2 and we are going to work on our spine because taking care of spine is most important thing. क्योंकि अगर स्पाइन ठीक से काम नहीं करेगी तो आप रेगुलर डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज भी ठीक से नहीं कर पाओगे. आपको बैठना हो, आपको खड़ा होना हो तो पूरा सपोर्ट आपको स्पाइन देती है. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. स्टिफनेस ऑफ द बैक इज वेरी कॉमन नावाडेज क्योंकि आजकल का जो हमारा काम है वो सेडेंटरी है. इसमें मूवमेंट्स बहुत कम है. अगर आप ऑफिस में काम कर रहे हो या कोई भी ऐसी जगह पे काम कर रहे हो जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा मूवमेंट्स नहीं करनी है तो डेफिनेटली आपकी बैक में स्टिफनेस आएगी. और जब आपकी बैक स्टिफ होती है तो उसका मतलब ये है कि वो आपकी स्पाइन को ठीक से प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाता है. तो स्पाइन की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी के लिए बैक की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. तो हम शुरू करते हैं कैट एंड काउ पोजीशन से. उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको टेबल टॉप में आना है. इस तरह से आपके दोनों हाथों के बीच में अपने शोल्डर जितनी जगह रखो और टेबल टॉप पोजीशन में आने के बाद कंफर्टेबल होने के बाद नॉर्मल ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, इनहेल, एक्सहेल. रिलैक्स इन योर स्पाइन. स्पाइन को फील करो. आज की पूरी प्रैक्टिस में हमारा पूरा फोकस स्पाइन में होगा. अब इनहेल करते हुए टेक योर हेड अप एंड आर्क योर बैक, हिप अप. एक्सहेल, मेक hump. Try to touch your chin to your chest and hold here for a while. Inhale up. Exhale down. I can feel the wonderful stretch in my spine. I am releasing tension from the back, from the spine. One more time. Inhale, head up. Exhale down. Now from here, come back to the tabletop and with your elbows support, just come into this position. Now from here, take your right hand under your left hand and keep your head on the floor and put your left hand over the head. This is the very beautiful stretch for your back. Even this is good for your shoulder also. Hold this position for a few seconds. Feel the stretch, relax in your spine. Pay attention on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly, with the support of your left hand, come upside. Now, opposite side. Again, I'm helping you to do this. Take support from the right hand. Shift your body weight to the right hand and your left hand under your right. And right hand over the head and feel the stretch. Wow, this is too good. और जब बैक ज़्यादा स्टिफ होता है तो वो स्पाइन को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर पाता है. दैट इज़ वाई दिस टाइप ऑफ exercise are required and yoga is the best for that. Come back quietly. Now from here again take the support of your elbow. Lie down on your abdominal part and put your chin down. Relax for a while. Now keep your palm near your chest. This is wonderful stretch again for your spine. Keep your focus on the spine. Now little bit you have to move upward by taking support of your palm in the starting. Go up and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back slowly and relax. Now flex your hands. अब यहाँ से आपके हाथों को इसी लेंथ में रखो और ऊपर उठने की ट्राई करो. लाइक दिस. इनहेल, go up and hold this position for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will give stretch to your lower back. Now, using your thumb, measure the distance and take position again. So your hands will be here now. Now take the supports of your hand and move upward and look upside. This stretch will be in the middle of the spine. So ultimately what are we doing? We are starting from the here, from lower back, and we are moving upside. Slowly and gradually the entire spine will get the beautiful stretch. Hold this position for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Now take the position again using your thumb. From there only take measurement of your palm and reschedule your position again. Now go higher. Wow, this is really nice stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back down. Last time, again reschedule your position. Now your palm will be near your chest. This is the fourth step. We are working on our spine flexibility, so your focus should be on the spine. You are continuously doing imagination that your spine is getting relaxed. You are releasing stress from your back. Slowly and gradually, you are releasing pain from your back. You are getting free from all the kind of pain. Now inhale and go up and hold this position. This is for entire spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back and relax. From here, take the support of your hands and go into the child pose because it is a counter pose of the practice we have just completed. Relax your spine. Breathe in, breathe out normally. And come back. From here, we will lie down on our back to give gentle massage to your back. First of all, hug your knees and simply just roll your back. पूरे दिन की कितनी भी थकान होगी, सिर्फ 5 मिनट की ये प्रैक्टिस आप करो और आप देखोगे कि आपको एकदम रिलैक्सिंग फील होगा. Just give gentle massage to your spine. Bless your spine. अपना पूरा फोकस वहाँ पे रखो. जो ज़्यादातर हम पूरे दिन में नहीं करते हैं। हम हमारे मोस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी पार्ट्स को पूरा अवॉइड करते हैं जब तक कि वहाँ पे पेन सीवियर ना हो जाए। तो टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेंसिटिव बॉडी पार्ट्स which is very important. Sit in the Sukhasana. Now say it loudly. My spine is getting flexible. I am enjoying that flexibility. I am free from all the stress from my back. My back is free to move everywhere. I am feeling relaxed. I am really thankful for my body, which is always supporting me. Thank you, God, for giving me such a wonderful body part, the spine, which is giving support to me while I am sitting, while I am standing, while I am walking. Thank you, God. Namaste.